As we've come to learn, XRP truly was a better version of Bitcoin, and during the time that it was live, especially around 2016 to 2017, we saw XRP mass adoption where it went to about $3 in 2018. And everyone speculated that XRP would go significantly higher because it could do so many things that Bitcoin just frankly was not capable of doing. Number one, being the go-to standard for all cross-border payments. However, there was one issue, and that was the SEC. They did not like XRP and they wanted it to be deemed a security. And of course, that brings us to where we are today. Hey, if we look at the tokenization of all assets, that is also a multi-trillion-dollar industry. Then of course, if we look at the stablecoin market, that is once again a multi-trillion-dollar industry. Altogether, it is well above $20 trillion in size of a market that XRP is aiming to completely dominate. If we look at XRP's position relative to other cryptocurrencies and other CBDCs that other banks are launching, we are well ahead of the competition. Only thing is the SEC case. So naturally, once that case ends, it's going to open up a ton of doors and opportunities for everybody within the XRP army. And in the event that we just tap into 10% of the overall market value of everything I described, amazing community behind it. And listen, I hear all of your guys' criticisms, the biggest one being XRP has not made any significant price movement in the last couple of years. It's been suppressed by the institutions that bought it early on, who are continuously taking profits at the prices we see today. And well, a lot of people think that it's just not possible for XRP to really break out like it did back in 2018. And listen, I hear all of you guys, but I want you to remember, it was just